Hi guys, it's Alston, and in this video we are going to take a look into a big cloud SEO tool /T. I've been getting a lot of requests from community members tagging me on the comments and also discussions and also getting free private messages also to ask my opinion and what I think about this big cloud, because as you guys already might have known that I love SEO tools, and since my digital agency is based out of on SEO marketing strategy primarily, and my blogs also. So I've been getting a lot of requests, and few days ago I shared some of my views and what I liked and what I didn't like about the specific deal which is currently going on. But since most of you anyway asked me what I feel about the tool, how the functions look like, and what are the features you think it might have, what you didn't like, so I thought to create a quick demonstration showcasing everything which is available inside this video. And in this video I will show you exactly that. And also I'm not an affiliate or anything like that, so feel free to use in case if you decide to get this deal, choose any one of your qualified or favorite affiliate marketers link or directly purchase it for it. I hope this video is useful, and let's get into it. First, as you can see, the big cloud is divided into four key component, and currently these two are unlimited for this deal. And on these two features are one-time credits for the special deal which is currently going on. You can check out the discussions we have on these on our community, and the link also in the description, non-affiliate link. Basically I will go through one by one. So first, let me open up the first one. I don't want to click it here because for some reason it's opening on the existing tab, so I just go into a first. Keyword intelligence is a basically it's like a keyword research module on any SEO tools. You go here and enter any of your keywords which you want to work on it. For example, best weight loss program, something like that. This, since we most probably we can understand this is a common example, and you search a country here. For example, all the countries are here, but for example the global is not available. For example, if I want to see the global, if I want something for a global as international, that feature is still not available. But you can go up to city or country, and I'm assuming state also. And also if I type Colombo, you can see it's going onto city level. In this case I'm going to keep it as United States. They also have different language options also available. Once I do that and I click on search, what it's going to give us, the section, the screen is divided into three major component. One, the overview model, and the components or task modules, and also the advanced details module. First, as we see at the keyword overview module, it just basically lists out the keyword, country, English, and also it's giving us a trend on what is that search, how the search number of searches are look like over the time, and monthly search volume, this is an average, and also cost per click and competition. And also please note, whenever you see competition mentioned anywhere in this tool, they are not referring to the actual search competition. What I mean by is not the organic competition, like what is the competition level in order to rank on the top 10 results. That is not the competition which they are referring, but what they are referring is adword competition. How many bidders are bidding for this keyword, how many brands or products are looking to target this keyword through the adwords campaign, how many are bidding on it. So whenever you see competition, your CPC, you assume this is a paid competition, not organic competition, which is a big disadvantage in a keyword research tool, because we would like to see the organic competition for keyword in order to decide whether we want to target it or not, or if we want to go after find backlinks, which is possible. Basically, if you are looking for a SEO, I would have that metric also to be present. Apart from that, we get this key related keywords. It's different. It categorize it into four main component: research keyword, content idea, popular question, trending search. I'll go one by one. First, As soon as you enter this keyword, it shows you the total number of related keywords. You can get keyword data. It's showing the total count by adding all this and giving a total volume for just to give an idea on the market potential and reach. Average CPC, average competition, again this is a PPC competition. And the keyword intent part is really good, where it say basically in this keyword niche environment, the most number of keywords which we are seeing is over 73% is informational, navigational is 10%, transactional is 17%. What do these mean? First, information means any searchers or searchers which is looking to get some sort of information, to looking to something to learn. So that is what information does. Navigation refers to searches where they are looking for some brand, they're looking to go somewhere, they're looking to find something to go or browse or something like that. That's what we call navigational search. Transactions searches can also be considered as e-commerce searches, where in this terms they are looking to buy something, they are looking to do some sort of monetary actions. So those are the difference, and this feature really helps us to quickly identify what is the market look like. And this is where the advanced data which is coming through. For example, it shows you showing us the 375 related keywords which it was able to find it out. It organized, you can search through it. They show the trend data, volume, CPC, competition, PPC competition. If you go over here and if you hover over or any of this question marks, you can see more information on a tooltip, and also they show the intention also here. And also value, this is a, I think probably would have been an internal metric. By comparing the volume with the CPC and competition, they are giving a value on how profitable the keyword might be. And if I go here and turn on the advanced filter and go here, they have some sort of filter. For example, we won't be able to go through 375 keywords full length, so they give us whether do we want to closely keep the related keywords or loosely. Let me take it at the middle. Even though it's a slider, they are giving only 3 different types, so you can't have a random option here. Basically either maximum, middle, or the lowest one. Long tail, do you want a short keywords or long tail or show all? That is also possible. And if I want to keep it something like informational, transactional or something, for example in this case let me take informational and navigational, and I keep it transaction just for the example. And also we can for example we can include keywords here, and means make sure to include all the words which I enter in this folder. If it's O, it means show all the keyword suggestion where at least one of these words is present. So that is what happens in here, and based on that you can filter it, and it should show all the what it considers as for example it should let's see. Okay, these are the keywords which it considers as a transactional keyword, which is good but not that much accurate, but it does give good information. For example, best keywords tend to convert a lot towards purchase decisions, that is good, and buy keywords. So they are giving various options and everything, so you can quickly do keyword research, but you can't do SEO keyword research here like competition analysis or anything like that. At the moment you are not able to do that. If I go into the second tab, which is content idea, basically this is similar to this, but here they are saying that they are providing various content idea which you can write about this particular keyword. So all these are happening in real time, so you can get an idea for see how long will it take to present with data. Hopefully we'll see it soon. Basically let's see, I didn't want to fast forward or anything, so you can get an idea for the speed of the tool. We got 144, and they giving us some basic but relatable thing, but I would prefer to see a more long tail like article, buyer, pain point solution, keywords or questions or something like that. In this case there is a separate tab, but this is pretty generic. But if you just want to brainstorm and find some good articles to write about, for example I started with best weight loss program. Let's say, for example, enjoyable weight loss plan might be a good blog post to concentrate, but they are saying no searches. But this just basically gives you the idea. It's similar to this. For example, in my personal experience, just I've been using it for 1 day, but it's showing you the short keywords on that particular page, but it gives you all the information, so you can just hover over here also to check what are the ideas available here. Basically, apart from that, every single other value is same as what I mentioned in related keywords. If I go into the popular question, this is where they will try to show any relevant questions, like people also ask, or questions found on the web for this particular keyword. For example, best weight loss program. Anyone who is searching for this particular keyword, what they are searching for, what are the pain taking questions they are asking. For example, it came up with these questions. Let's see. Okay, it's going no, it's I found 16 different questions for this keyword. Basically, it's showing what is the most effective. It shows the different questions. These are relevant, so that is a good point. And also, I like the fact they provide these things. But if you are also using another program, you decide which is the best. Like I personally use couple of SEO tools, and they also provide with data, so you compare with and see which is the tool which is providing most enough data. But just comparing this tool alone, this is good, where you can integrate these questions into your keyword research articles to have a more industry depth knowledge in your article. So that is what the question tab does. And also, if I go into the final tab, which is the trending search, again this is something didn't really find different from related keywords, me personally, because I assume when I put this and trending searches, I should get trending searches, but you can see all the searches here are just showing 000. I would assume when I read something called trending searches to find something hot on the market, what are the things getting searched most often, what are the buzz keywords in this industry, but I couldn't find anything. So I'm not sure what is happening here. But try to in your niches and see whether that it brings you any relevant data for it. So that is first is the keyword intelligence. Let me go into the second tab, which is the content intelligence tab. And as I go into that, you can see I have run a couple of examples. Let me rerun it again so I can show it. For example, if you just include the target keyword, I found that it didn't provide much valuable insight. It basically gives you the basic stuff. This is a keyword research, content research, which I did without giving a URL, just keyword. But you can see it just showing nothing, but it's showing you what you need to do. But you need to start writing in order to see the your results, how you can optimize it. So my recommended way to use this program is you write an article either in a draft mode or already published, then use this particular function in order to improve it even further. You can see I'm giving a keyword, I'm going into the search. Now it should perform all this. You can see it automatically grabs the entire article which I have written for this. You can see it grabbing everything. It grabbed the title, meta description, and also it is also divided into 3 components. This is just an overview, and also this is an in-depth section, and this is an analysis section. Basically, this gives you a basic detail, but these are the 2 important section which we are most interested on. First, what it does it different is it separates us the whole article into small chunks. For example, I can write here because it's giving me all the recommendation. Shows the relevancy is good, sentiment is confident, readability, all these things. So I see this, and let's say for example it show I edit needed because the no tone, so I can do a bit of edit until this satisfactory need is fulfilled to have much more readability in this case. So I can do the edit section by section from here. You can see all these things are here. For example, it's showing the good, all this. So like that, I can do it for pretty much the entire article section for here. And if I see here, now it's giving me an overview analysis on the total competition analysis. I couldn't find detailed on whether how many search website they analyzed, but I assume it's 10 websites to get this statistics data. Basically, it's showing you what is the number of words each page have on the ranking position and where we are currently. So it's good. I already got a content A grading. I can reanalyze this if I want, if I giving a URL, average link heading, and also this is the important fact where it shows you the important keywords which we are using, or which we should use, or which we are overusing. For example, it shows the keyword. If it's a tick mark, I'm using it correctly. Like it shows the importance value of the keyword, usage count, and what is the typical usage. And this is something which I haven't used it, so it's giving me a recommendation with a gray check mark where say it's saying that important is 10 of them, but I haven't used 0. I haven't used it at all, so use at least one time. So it's showing you this data: importance, usage count, heading usage, how many time it has been used, should you be used on headings, heading in top 10, like out of the top 10 result, how many are using it on one of the headings like H2, H1, H3 or something like that. So these data are showing you. You can see this is, so it's showing you check mark, and it does a pretty good job on this content optimization, because all the keywords which I found here was actually really relevant to this particular article. So that is a good job on that case. And we can also export to PDF or add to collection. It's like collection is saving within the app itself. If I go into the analysis section, I get a bit more information. You can see now it's showing the readability. I think if I go here, I'm not sure whether it's showing the overall readability and score, different score based on internal metrics, showing the semantic density, keyword density, my focus keyword density. It's showing what are the things I need to improve. This is what I like about it. When I click on section 3, it's showing you the section 3, and I should include these keywords in order to make it more semantically friendly. Semantic is a SEO terminology where you closely keep different keywords linked or have relevant keywords in order to have a natural language processing with different algorithms to have multiple ranking variation of keywords for your target keywords. So these are good. And if I click here, it's showing in this section I should have these things, and section 7, 8, 9, 11 all are good. 12 I need to again come and add these things. If I can click on it, this is a feature I actually quite like on this. So it goes like that up to here. And if I go into the fundamental, what now it does it, rather than just showing everything in depth, it now showing what are the edits which I need. For example, use more keyword related to your context, your semantics. So I need to fix on this. Decorate your keywords to improve your experience. Add your keywords in your first 100 words. So these things I need to do. And it also showing the good and optimized stuff. So you don't need to worry about this much, but edit needed, try to fix it as soon as possible. So that is what content intelligence does. And these are the one-time credit options. So if I'm going to open this also, sorry guys, give it me a second. Access intelligence. If I go here, I can create a rank. This is one of a cool feature which I would love to have it in a recurring module, but it's a one-time credit on this deal. But basically what happens is, as soon as you give any website URL, let me copy one of the website. It is similar to ahrefs one. For example, I go here and give my website URL, and I'm going to give a location/language. It will try to find out all the ranking keywords for this particular website. So that is good, because you can focus on important keyword. You can find out what is already bringing you traffic. You can find out low hanging fruit, we call it, because these are keywords which we didn't do any search engine optimization, which we didn't even know there is a keyword like exit, then these tools present you with that keyword, so you can do this research more on it to optimize it further to get the first position on that particular keyword area. So it found 2748 keywords in top 10, and it's showing the average monthly traffic I can receive from here. It's showing you ranking distribution, how many of my keywords are ranking within 1 to 3 position, 4 to 10, how many keywords. So it's showing you all the position gaps here, and I can filter it. Let's say for example my site is small compared to other big sites. So let's say for example you run a report and you immediately find out 50,000 or something. You don't want to focus, let's say for example you don't want to waste too much credits on this run, then you can filter it to have a much more manageable. For example, in this case I'm going to have 50 below than 50, so I am eliminating all these keywords. You can do any sort of filtration according to your personal requirements, so these options are available. And once you've done it, click on create view. For some reason it worked. Let me see. For some, okay, this, I'm not sure whether this is a bug or something, but I couldn't create when I put 50 here. But let's, for the sake of this, I'll move forward. I'll try to see it whether this is a bug. If in the case, I can report it in. Basically, once you've done that, it shows you the all the top keywords it found. Ranking distribution, you can also create different views for different keywords, data and everything. Basically it's showing you the same set of feature, but this is the cool part where it shows you all the keywords which we are already ranking. We didn't even give this keyword data, it found it out on its own. We can give, click on here, it will go to the Google to show you the Google page. It shows you the volume, cost per click, competition, PPC competition, and also the SERP features also shown here. You can see multi carousel, what are the things available on the top 10 result, featured snippet. This is really good to get a quick identify, and also it gives you the root URL which is ranking for this keyword. This is also good because you can find out, okay, this keyword I need to optimize it for this particular page. So it's really easy to get the idea behind it. And also it shows my actual position which is currently for this keywords, it's showing you. And this is a keyword link which we, if we want to automatically add this to the rank tracker, we can use that. These are some of the hyperlinks where you can directly go into keyword intelligence with this keyword, or content intelligence with this keyword, and basically sim stuff. But this is a powerful feature, but it's unlimited credit, so you need to purchase it according to your requirement. You need to get it. So that is what rank intelligence does. The next feature is the rank tracking feature, where this is basically a rank tracker which is pretty existing on all the SEO tools nowadays. You create a project from here. Sorry, I didn't mention. You can create a project. You select where do you want to search, whether it's a city-based, state, country, or something like that. Give the search English, and currently it supports only Google. I couldn't find any option to select like Bing, Yahoo, other stuff. It's currently on Google. If I go here, I need to click on action if I want to go into the project. Otherwise, I will get an average position distribution chart with the overview information. I'm going inside that, and couple of things, I really like the layout of it. It shows the gain. I just added the project today, that's why it's showing huge gains. And also it shows you different searches results for desktop and mobile. That is also a feature which I liked. Here I just entered and it shows you the page tracking, what is the things. But unfortunately I found some of the ranking data to be inaccurate. Obviously I need to do a lot more search on to find out what is happening, what are the details which is going wrong. But for example, I know for a fact that these keywords, both these keywords are ranking on page number 1, because I'm tracking in another keyword search to SERP tracking tool, and also I manually checked it. But for some reason this is showing you I'm not ranking. I'm not sure whether this will change tomorrow or not, possibly a bug. But I did find out with my limited search on this, that it did report a couple of, I added 4 keywords, 2 keywords was correct, but 2 keywords were wrong. So I need to check more depth on it. You can tag these things and you can have a separate page to tag, like organizing into the groups and everything. So that is basically the quick overview I wanted to give you on the big cloud. I hope this was useful, and also if you have more questions, please feel to join our community. And if you want to have more videos like this on SaaS, uh, let us know in the comments, and also please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Once again, thank you so much guys, and I hope you have a great day. Cheers.